So you downloaded my planner. Now you're wondering what's next. Let's talk about it. Welcome back to His Mercy. Thank you so much, first of all, for downloading my planner. I know a lot of people just haven't used GoodNotes or just haven't had a digital planner. So this is where I'm going to refer you guys. Comment down below if you have any more questions and I will clarify them as well. At first, you're going to get your iPad or your tablet or whatever you have for your notes. I have an iPad. First, we're going to go to my website. I use Pensight. That's what we're seeing right now. You can see my testimony I have if you guys want to donate to my ministry. I do sell homemade braided wigs. Shout out to that. You know, look, if you're looking for some braided wigs, or if you guys like French curl wigs, definitely specialize in that. Also, if you guys like French curl attachments or French curl braids, I literally had the cutest one a few months ago. I literally miss it and I can't wait to install another one. And that's the hair that we sell. So I have my Amazon storefront if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing. And if you think it might be from Amazon, it might be from Amazon. And then I have 3 planners. I have pink, brown, and green. I feel like those are a good mix for my first release. For this video, we're gonna download the pink one. Actually, I kind of want the green one low-key. But I am in my pink era right now. Let's do pink. Let's do pink. Pink, it's just been a pink day, you know, so let's do pink actually. The pink one, I'm definitely in my pink girl era right now. I don't know, like pink has been growing on me. Literally click get it now, and you're gonna have to put your email in because they're going to email you this. I did not have to put this because this is my account, so I'm literally just gonna download it, but they're going to ask for your email. And you have it downloaded. So this is where it differs. I use GoodNotes, so that is what I'm going to do. So if you're looking for another thing, let me know and I could do some research for you guys, but I'm only using GoodNotes. So up here, you're able to press share and you're going to share it, and I'm gonna go straight to GoodNotes. I love doing this. I feel like, technology, honestly. So it's already labeled pink Bible journal, but 2024 to be a little spicy, you know, so no. And then I'm going to import it as a new document. So it's going to import everything. So now it's done importing. It didn't take that long at all, actually. I had to format this so it could be smaller and it won't take up that much gigabytes in your space. Let me know if you guys want like a detailed like video of how I made this planner too. So this is the cover, so it's pink. It says journal planner Bible study, and then you go down, it has a calendar. This is all hyperlinked because this is literally without adding anything. This is 1,000 pages, 1,191 pages. The intro, the journal. If you guys want a more detailed what is in my planner, the link is below. I already made that video. This is literally how to download it, and you're able to click like this. Index, the monthly planner. You're able to, you could press home, and home will take you all the way up here. Your journal, write on your journals. You're able to take notes. Let's go to the Bible. That's my favorite part. This one's just so cute, and it's all, so if you want to go to Matthew's, you click Matthew's, Matthew 28. I also added digital stickers as a home, and they'll take you, ooh, sorry y'all, I clicked that too fast. Be gentle with her, okay? I have sermon notes as well. I love my sermon notes. A lot of people have been asking me where I have my sermon notes. They're literally from my planner. I love my sermon notes. I love to reread them, and it just keeps me where I'm supposed to be. Hope this answered your questions on how to download this and how to get this on your iPad or your device as well. I hope you guys are blessed with this. This is something that God planted in my heart. I'm just so happy that 1,000 of you guys have literally downloaded this. This is so crazy. I don't want to cause any confusion, so I hope this video helps. If you guys have any more questions, comment down below, and be blessed in the planner. I'm trying to release more videos of me actually using my planner and putting it on YouTube. I do that a lot already on TikTok and Instagram. You guys can follow me in that. I'm trying to slowly get on YouTube, but TikTok and Instagram, because that's where I'm more active every single day compared to YouTube. But I'm slowly getting to YouTube, y'all. Just give me some time. Bye guys, have a blessed day.